The endodontic post is an essential component in the restoration of the compromised endodontically treated tooth. It provides structure, support, and stability for the final restoration, while allowing the dentist to effectively retain the underlying core material. Conventional endodontic posts are either prefabricated in metal or fabricated in the lab as a cast post and core. However, recent advances in dentistry have led to more sophisticated post materials, such as industrial fiber-reinforced composites that offer superior performance and aesthetic appeal. This module will examine the many advantages of the fiber post over metal posts and will introduce you to the most advanced and aesthetically appealing fiber post currently on the market. The DT Lightpost Illusion XRO from RTD, the world leader in fiber post technology. It is the latest evolution in the DT Lightpost product line and is the only company into the market with intrinsic post-color coating that disappears and reappears on command. Metal posts have several disadvantages. Because they are rigid, metal posts have a high modulus of elasticity, which means that the post fully transmits any stresses directly to the root of the tooth. These stresses tend to concentrate at the radicular surfaces, where contact between the tooth and post is greatest, and in the most fragile sectors, such as in the apical third and cervical areas. As a result, metal post restorations can crack and damage the remaining tooth structure by failing to properly absorb or dissipate the stresses. Steel posts are also susceptible to electrochemical corrosion, which can reduce adhesive capabilities, make the root even more fragile, and cause serious fractures. Finally, metal posts can be prone to show-through, an unsightly situation that is especially disturbing to the aesthetic-conscious patient. It was for all these reasons that RTD developed and patented the fiber post. RTD's original carbon fiber post, the composite post, represented a significant improvement over traditional metal posts. First introduced 20 years ago, the composite post was the first in an evolution of RTD posts. Fiber posts offer a unique high-strength, low-modulus composition that outperformed metal posts in tensile strength, fatigue resistance, and retention. In fiber posts, the elastic modulus is similar to that of dentin. This enables the post to absorb and dissipate exogenous stresses, thereby helping to avert root fractures. Fiber posts are also biocompatible with the surrounding tissue, and because they are non-metallic, they cannot corrode. Most important, RTD fiber posts are easily and atraumatically removed in minutes. Metal posts, however, require a tedious procedure to remove, and the resulting damage can lead to tooth fracture. Many published in vitro studies concur that fiber post failures are repairable, and for these reasons, fiber posts are increasingly becoming the endodontic post of choice for dentists around the world. RTD's current fiber post design, the double-tapered Lightpost Illusion XRO, is an advanced design patented fiber post that adapts to the contours of the prepared canal, rather than forcing the dentist to adapt the canal to fit the post. Each post size has two separate tapers and a parallel coronal section, which maximizes dentin conservation. The surface of the new XRO post is intentionally roughened to an even higher micromechanical surface, which creates a frosty appearance, but increases push-out or bond strength to the post by nearly 33%. This eliminates any need for chairside silane coatings. Here is a high magnification view of that surface. In addition, the post colors match the drill markings to help the clinician distinguish one size from another before or after placement. XRO fibers also utilize a proprietary silane coupling agent that increases the bond between the fiber and the epoxy matrix to improve flexural strength by 200 megapascals. When placed in the tooth, the intrinsic color coating of the post disappears, allowing it to blend in with the natural dentition and the restoration. Yet, the post color will reappear on command under cold water spray, making it easier to find if retreatment or removal is ever required. The DT Lightpost Illusion is the only post with the combination of superior design, light conductivity, and unsurpassed fatigue resistance. The XRO technology incorporates a new patented fiber, developed exclusively for dentistry by RTD, which is enhanced with unique radio pacifiers, making it the most radiopaque fiber post on the market today. Available in 4 color-coded sizes, the DT Lightpost Illusion XRO is designed to fit virtually any clinical situation. The DT Lightpost Illusion XRO can be easily placed with a minimum of preparation. To begin, select the appropriate post size, noting that the color coding corresponds to the same size drill. Using your usual piezo reamers, and then the end-cutting universal starter drill, remove the gutta percha to the desired depth, usually only 1/2 to 2/3 of the root length. Create the post space with the number 1 finishing drill, followed by sequentially larger drills for the larger posts, if needed. Try in the post. Remove the post, and remove excess length from the coronal end using a rotary disc. If the post is contaminated, clean it with alcohol. Apply a light cure bonding agent such as Seal Bond Ultima to the post. Air dry and light cure. Next, etch the post space and any other tooth structure that will be involved in the post-core buildup. Rinse and remove excess water with a paper point, leaving surfaces moist. Apply the bonding agent to the etched areas. Then remove any excess material. Air dry to evaporate solvent and light cure. Now, inject dual cure resin cement, such as Corsem, into the post space. Insert the post and light cure from the occlusal aspect to stabilize the post. Select the appropriate size core form and custom trim it with scissors. Fill the core form with the core composite such as Corsem, and place the core, holding the core form with tweezers. Light cure through the core form. Remove it and trim the core, leaving the end of the post covered. Roughly 1/4 of root canals can require retreatment for some pathology, whether a post is present or not. The DT Lightpost Illusion XRO can be quickly removed without trauma to the tooth by starting with the RTD removal kit and then using the original finishing drills. It is recommended that magnification be used during this procedure. Start by removing the prosthesis and enough core composite to expose the coronal end of the post, still surrounded by composite. Use a new radiograph to measure the remaining working length of the post, and place an endodontic file stopper on the removal drill to establish that working length on the drill. Spray the exposed end of the post with cold water for a few seconds to prompt the color change. Then place a pilot hole in the coronal end of the post, as close to the center as possible. Using copious water spray to minimize heat buildup, insert the carbide removal drill into the pilot hole and begin drilling at a rotation speed of 800 to 2000 RPM. Penetrate the entire length of the post, according to the stopper, withdrawing intermittently to allow the post dust to escape. Once this central canal is completed, immediately remove the rest of the post fibers and cement by using the corresponding finishing drills. This video is meant to provide general technique guidance and product overview. As with any medical device, the user should read and follow manufacturer's instruction inserts carefully. DT Lightpost Illusion XRO posts outperform metal posts in many important areas. The advanced double taper design provides optimal adaptation and dentin conservation, while the low elastic modulus prevents root fractures. The advanced manufacturing process and technology provides outstanding radiopacity and superior fatigue resistance for long-term durability, translucent properties to provide aesthetics and light transmission. The DT Lightpost Illusion XRO offers superior retention properties, and unlike metal posts, can be quickly removed without any trauma to the tooth. It has passed not only cytotoxicity, which is a very common test, but also intradermal reactivity, systemic toxicity, genotoxicity, and hypersensitivity in order to ensure complete biocompatibility and safety. The DT Lightpost XRO is also corrosion-free, and it is the ideal choice for all your endodontic post needs. The original DT Lightpost has been rated by Reality as the best fiber post 4 years in a row. Now, the DT Lightpost Illusion XRO, with its patented XRO fiber and color on command technology, makes it more appealing than ever.